How to ask a question on Instagram story? Follow this step. To start with, open the Instagram app on your phone. After that, click on the plus icon at the top left corner. From here, either capture a new photo or a video or pick one from your gallery. Once you have added your content, click on the sticker icon at the top. Now look for the question sticker and tap on it. Right away, a question box will appear on your story. At this point, type the question you would like to ask your audience. If you want, you can also adjust the color, style, and the position of the box. To do this, click on the color icon at the top, and the color will instantly change. When everything looks good, hit done at the top right, and click on your story at the bottom. Now your followers will be able to tap on the box and send in their replies. And there you go. I hope this video helped.